Hello, and I hope that everybody is having a great start to the spring 2018 semester. I wanted to take a moment and make a quick video about how to print out your rosters from SIS. As most of you have seen already, Marlene Lewis from the Registrar's Office sent out an email explaining when rosters are due. The first roster for the majority of the classes needs to be submitted to the Registrar's Office by the end of the day, this Wednesday, January 31st. It is very important to get these rosters there in a timely manner and not be late, as it does sometimes hold up students' financial aid and has other consequences if we don't have information about who is attending. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is just kind of watch as I explain how to print your roster off of SIS and exactly what you need to do with it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into the River Valley website. You're going to click up here, the SIS link. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click on SIS. Now, since I have already logged in today, it has me logged in. But you would normally log in using the same username and password that you would to get into your email and to Blackboard or Canvas. Once you've logged in and you're at this page, you're going to click on Faculty Services. Once you're here, you're going to look for this link here, Summary Class List. You're going to go over and scroll down, make sure that you're printing out your Spring 2018 list, and click Submit. Now right here is where you'll see each of your classes listed. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one that I'll need to print out and click Submit. Now here is where my roster will show up. I am not going to scroll all the way down to show you the students, just to protect them from privacy purposes. What you'll see here is the class information. And at this time you can right click and go down to click Print. I'm not going to print it at the moment, but you'll see here that you need to print it off. Once that is printed off, you need to take the roster and you need to identify who has not shown up or not logged in to your class. You'll do that by circling the name. You can make a note saying that they are a no-show, or you can put a note on there with whatever it is you need to explain about the student. If they've been attending class, you can go ahead and just put a check mark next to their name so that you know and the registrar knows that you've seen that student on the list. After you've done that, it's really important that you sign and then date the roster. Once that happens, you will go ahead and submit it to the registrar's office. You can do that by scanning it in and emailing it to either Sharon Gilbert or Marlene Lewis, or you can hand deliver it or put it in an inter-office envelope and put it in their mailbox, or you can ask someone from one of the academic centers to help you fax it to the main campus in Claremont. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to ask me. My name is Amy John, and I'm the Liberal Arts Department Chair. I'm happy to try and help. My extension is 5404, and my email is ajahn@ccsnh.edu. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or your department chair or program director. Again, I'm here to help, and please get these in a timely fashion. It is much appreciated by everybody here at River Valley. Hope you have a great spring semester.